Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. One of the things I'd like to talk about today is a fleet maintenance program and the benefits that you can get maintaining your fleet with 3D Auto Repair. As a Napa Auto Care Center, we are able to offer a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on the labor and whatever the manufacturer offers as far as when those parts are replaced, and that's a nationwide warranty. So if you have a vehicle that travels the Chicagoland area, maybe in Indiana, Wisconsin, Iowa, if you have an issue with the repair, we do have that peace of mind warranty that follows your vehicle wherever it goes. As far as maintenance programs go, there's several different areas to talk about. One is kind of like a short-term area, which is more like oil changes, tire rotation, air filter, those type of things that need to be maintained on a more regular basis. Then there's kind of a second tier of maintenance programs, which is more of a long-term program, which talks a little bit more about like transmission oil and filters and shocks and struts, maybe brakes, things that take a little bit more time to wear out, but you still need a competent mechanic that can get those done in a timely fashion. One thing we do know at 3D Auto Repair is when those fleet vehicles are down, it's costing you time and money, and we take pride in knowing that we can get the vehicles diagnosed and repaired in a timely fashion. One of the benefits of getting into a fleet service program, especially with 3D Auto Repair, is we do offer digital vehicle inspections. And one of the reasons that we feel like those are important is they do notify you of the immediate needs of things that need to be done, but they also provide you some future repairs that we send out reminders for you every so often. Those things can take the burden off the person handling the fleet by not having to deal with the employees constantly complaining that their vehicle is making noises or squeaks or areas of concern that the driver has, but the fleet maintenance supervisor may not have time to address every single driver's needs or concerns. We are able to service different size fleets, some as small as 2 to 3 vehicles, some as large as 50 to 75 vehicles, maybe even larger depending on the fleet that you have. And we would be able to accommodate those things after getting you set up on a maintenance program. Makes it beneficial to you. You know you're getting taken care of. You know you're going to be a priority to us, and we're happy to get something set up with you based on your needs. So if you have a fleet or you're a service advisor for a fleet company and you're looking for a new shop, maybe to get a different opinion on what kind of maintenance program you need or should have, please feel free to give us a call. My name is Dan, and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. Thanks for watching. Please share our video. We'd like to get our information out to everybody that we possibly can.